Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guy channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to pay in Bumping Dating App. Right, so as we all know, you have always been asked to upgrade to gold in order for you to see who liked you and who viewed you and who sent you a message as well. So first thing you have to do is you have to go to profile and make sure you get everything updated, like your name, your age, and your photos as well. And make sure you turn on your notification to always get notified by Pompey. Then you can also get use of the map to see people around you that use the Bumpy app as well. So all you need to do in order to pay on Bumpy is you go to your profile. So on your profile you can see upgrade to gold. So let me show you that. So right here, so once you click on upgrade to gold, you can see it's going to be written in your country currency. So this is currently in Nigeria currency, and you can see 1 week is about 4,900. That should be around $2 or so. And this 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. So I think 6 months is the list of the subscription you can go, how you can pay to them. So how do you pay? So once you pick on the one you want to pay for, so I'm going to pay for a week right now, so let's do it together. All you need to do is you have to click on continue, and once you click on continue, you make sure your ATM, there is your card, has been linked to your Google Pay, and once it's linked to it, it will be way easier. But if it has not been linked, it will be kind of stressful though. You have to fill in the info and the rest of that. So once you have linked that to your distance to your Google Play, click on subscribe, and once you click on subscribe and fill in your password or your fingerprints or your face ID, it's going to be subtracted from your account. So once you do that, you will be subscribed and you have paid for Bumpy Gold. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more food tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.